Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. This is our setup today. We love to make pizza and it's one of our family's favorites, but you can't always make it outside. So we picked up a pizza stone for pretty cheap. It's preheating in the oven right now and we're gonna whip up a pizza and make our first, hopefully successful pizza in the oven. And it's our new oven. I already made our pizza dough. It's very delicious, more authentic than hand tossed. I'm not really sure. It's not thin, it's not super thick. One makes about a 10-inch pizza maybe, and I'll make it up, pepperoni, cheese, olives, and we'll try it out. All right, y'all, I've got my bin of flour. I'll just be sprinkling some on. It's on the side. Got the peel, sprinkle that and spread it around. Alrighty. I wanted to make this dough last night, so it's made a little different in the time period. Same recipe. It's very room temperature right now. Feels beautiful. Just want to establish the crust, the ends here, and then gravity will just make its way. I need to put this in the fridge ASAP. I try to put some towels underneath this so it would be quieter. Kind of just even the middle out, and we can stretch this dough out once our toppings are on and the gluten can relax a minute. All right, y'all, we're gonna wrap these doughs back up so they don't get dry, and I think I'm gonna throw them in the fridge. When I make more, I'll just grab it from there. It's pretty warm today and I don't really want them to overproof. Where in the fridge? No idea. All right, I had to do a little bit of fridge organization to fit that. And we're just going to put some sauce. Just straight up tomato sauce, y'all. A couple scoops of that. Might do another little bit. We don't like a ton of sauce, just a good amount. Nice coverage. We'll do some salt. That salt helps a lot to bring out those flavors. We'll go in with a couple black olives. These are really delicious on a pizza. What are your guys' favorite toppings on pizza? Artichokes were pretty good. Just need a lot of salt. We mostly just like a classic pepperoni and cheese, but olives on there is really good. Salami's good, but if it's just not really worth the cost. It doesn't make much of a difference is what I'm trying to say. And once I put the pepperonis on, I'll use the pepperonis to stretch this out a little bit more. I keep my pepperonis and cheese in the freezer to help it last longer. This oven is smoking hot. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have to keep this on because it is smoking. Couple more pepperonis and we're gonna throw it in. The oven's at 550. First time, hopefully it's good. Shake test, shimmy test. Oh boy, 25%. Let's put some more flour in there. Oh, come on. All right, we're just gonna put it in. Oh, all right, y'all, we're just gonna put it in. All right, we'll see what happens. Take a couple minutes, 5 to 10 minutes possibly. All right, y'all, we're gonna check it out. It's been in there basically 2 minutes. I don't smell pizza. Ooh, we're gonna give her a little rotation at least. No, we'll stay with a 90-degree turn. All right, y'all, it's been in there about 4 minutes at 550. Oh my goodness, that looks really good. I think I'll do, it doesn't smell burnt. I think I'll do another 1 to 2 minutes. I'm gonna set a timer on the microwave. Perfect. Super excited. This is the hottest our oven goes, and this is the hottest we've gone on our oven. We've done like 425. I'm not sure if we've gone like 475, but 550 right now. I broiled a couple times. There's a broil drawer at the bottom and it works great. Broil up some bread in a minute or whatever, but I'm super excited. It looks incredible. All right, y'all. It's been almost another 2 minutes. I hope it's not burnt. She's smelling a little dark. The stone looks way better now. It had like a bunch of grease on it or something. Bottom looks good. Okay, looks good. This side, it's actually really crisp too. Check it out. Really crisp. I wonder if it's a little overdone. It's kind of square too, but that's okay. This is the crispiest we've had yet. But we got a pizza stone, a pizza oven for outdoor cooking, which we love to do. But it's sometimes raining or windy as can be. Gets a little thin in the middle, but I should try doing 5 dough balls. It's got a nice little puff to it. Oh yeah, and that crisp on there, yes. Oh yeah, we'll give it a try. It's hotter than a firecracker right now. Beautiful. Alright y'all, that booger was hotter than a firecracker. Little flour down. It also doesn't help that the oven is so hot, and that's where I need to work with it. So I might put a pad down. Just gotta be careful. Grab a dough from the fridge, because it is so warm today. Grab a little flour for the bottom. I also didn't do that on the last one, so that could have been a problem as well. I just use all-purpose flour for the dusting because it's cheaper. Just flour. I don't think it makes big of a difference. My husband is saying that the top crust is really cooked, but the bottom might not be as cooked. So we'll just have to keep playing around with it. Sometimes it's hard to get the shape perfectly circular, especially when the dough is so warm. Salt, olive, little cheese, and pepperoni. Quickly throw them on and give her a stretch. I haven't made a pizza in a while actually. It's been rainy, we've been busy, and we made so many pizzas since the beginning of the year. We may have just gotten a little bit burnt out, but not. So give it a nice little stretch after you put the pepperonis on there, and it's less messy. Now everything's a little more cold this time, so it should be better. It already looks way better. And it slides past. I just wiped some of that flour off so it doesn't burn too bad. Passes the shimmy test. I think we're ready to throw her in. Alright y'all, it's way cooler. It doesn't flop as much now. You can see some nice bubbles inside there though, but the bottom isn't as crisp. The top's really good. It might be a little gummy. I think I'm gonna move it down a shelf. Oh, I got the one with the crisper. Oh, that's good. Okay, we're gonna try moving it down a shelf. Sorry y'all. Alright y'all, I scraped the junk off of the bottom of the stone. We're gonna throw this beauty in. I moved it to the central shelf instead of the very top. We'll set a timer for 2 minutes and we'll check on it. Whoops, spilling flour. Alright y'all, it's been 2 minutes. Oh yeah. Definitely not the same as the pizza oven, but still very good. Another 2. The light might be a little worse, but my phone overheated, so it is what it is, y'all. It's so hot, we got overheated. This is still very delicious, but we will have to do a few tweaks to figure out what we like best. It's always a learning curve, which is fun, and we'll learn it. All right, y'all, there we have it. Beautiful, delicious pepperoni pizza. All from the comfort of your own home. We appreciate y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Give this recipe a try. Bon appetit, y'all. Check out our channel for more. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Peace out.